How to make a DIY desk buddy. You will need pom-poms and Mod Podge or glue. Take out 5 pom-poms of the same color, 1 big and 4 small. Take your Mod Podge and take one of the small pom-poms and put a dab of Mod Podge on it. Now take the big pom-pom, we're going to call that the mother pom-pom, and stick the small one onto it. Now take a next one and put a dab of Mod Podge on it. And stick it on next to the first. Now a third. And this time, stick it on opposite one of them. And a fourth. Stick it next to this one. Now wait for it to dry.